So here we are in this empty shell, painted white, painted white, painted white. That's the outlook. Quick glance, Joe, so you can see. All this neat gloss everywhere. There's a shower, blah blah blah. This floor, I'm having all carpet down here. Get some nice flooring in there for that utility room. This is Summer's room. That's the communal gardens. There's no door handles on it because all the doors are going to be glassed. This is my room. This is the outlook from the door. Oh look, there's my car. There's the steps. We'll get some hanging baskets going right down there. Make it nice. This is going to get carpeted. That's it really. It's not that big, is it? But it's big enough for me and the children. That's where the thing is going. Washing machine, fridge freezer, cooker. There you go.